Web development is the best job in the world. You build on a platform with nearly 5 billion daily active users, all connected together like the neurons of a global super intelligent brain. A system that can cure disease, eliminate poverty, advance science, and all stuff like that. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore a journey through the intricate world of web development. From understanding the fundamentals of the internet to mastering front-end and back-end technologies, we'll explore it all. Make sure to answer 5 super fun quizzes at the end of this video. As you know, knowledge is garbage unless you use it. And no one can actually learn without testing the knowledge. That's why I invented an effective strategy called 3-1 method. Meaning 3 minutes learning and 1 minute for testing. Sounds good? Now let's get started. Number 1. The internet and its foundation. The internet serves as the backbone of web development. It's a global network of interconnected machines, often compared to a super intelligent brain. Born on January 1, 1983, the internet was officially established with the Internet Protocol Suite, which standardized communication between computers. At its core, the internet uses unique IP addresses to identify and transmit data between devices via Transmission Control Protocol. Number 2. The World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a software layer that sits atop the internet, enabling users to access using the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This layer provides uniform resource locators for web pages and is brought to life by web browsers. DNS or Domain Name System acts as the Internet's phone book, mapping domain names to IP addresses. Number 3. Hypertext Markup Language or HTML. HTML is the language that structures web content. It consists of elements, each enclosed in opening and closing tags, shaping the hierarchy known as the Document Object Model or DOM. DOM divides a web page into 2 parts, the head and the body, metadata and title, and the visible content. Semantic HTML is vital for accessibility and SEO, as it helps search engines and screen readers interpret content correctly. Number 4. Styling with Cascading Style Sheets. Cascading Style Sheets or CSS breathes life into HTML elements. Defining their appearance, CSS utilizes selectors to target elements and glide styles, enhancing code reusability. Number 5. JavaScript adding interactivity. JavaScript is the backbone of interactivity on the web. It's a versatile, dynamically typed language that allows developers to respond to user actions and event or manipulate web content. JavaScript interacts with the Document Object Model or DOM to create dynamic and engaging web experience. Number 6. Front-end frameworks. Front-end frameworks like React, Vue.js, Angular, and Svelte simplify web development by organizing the UI as a tree of components. These components encapsulate HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, promoting declarative code and improving maintainability. Number 7. Node.js and server-side development. Node.js is a server-side runtime that enables developers to run JavaScript on a server. It uses an event-driven, non-blocking architecture to handle concurrent connections efficiently. Server-side rendering or SSR and client-side rendering CSR are 2 common approaches to delivering web content. Number 8. Data management and databases. Databases are essential for storing and retrieving data in web applications. You will need to implement user authentication and access control mechanism to protect sensitive information. Number 9. Deployment and hosting. Deploying web application involves choosing a web server, containerization with the tools like Docker, and selecting a cloud provider like AWS. These are also platform as a service options to simplify infrastructure management. Number 10. Staying current. Web development is a field that continually evolves. Developers must stay up to date with the latest technologies, trends, and best practices to remain competitive and delivering high-quality web applications. Web development is a multifaceted field that demands a diverse skill set and a constant thirst for learning. From the foundation of the internet to mastering front-end and back-end technologies, this video has provided an overview of the key concepts and components that make web development exciting and rewarding career. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, the web development journey is one of the endless possibilities, creativity, and innovation. Embrace the challenges, keep learning, and you will find web development to be a fascinating and fulfilling profession. If you are a web developer or learning web development on your own, this channel could be a great help. So I encourage you to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the latest technology in web development. Thanks for watching.